Hello, it's Andrew from Fine & Country, and you join us on yet another fantastically beautiful sunny spring day. And we're here at Trehill House at Callington. I can't wait to show you more about what this lovely property has to offer. So come with me and let's explore it together. So, a very warm welcome inside Trehill House, and you join us here in the main reception space, which is a really nice sized room. You'll notice one of the key standout features is this wonderful stone fireplace. We've got a very large wood burning stove there that really can kick out that warmth on a nice cosy winter's evening. So, do you like to entertain? If you do, then this room is for you. As you can see, it's a really nice space. Dual aspect, room for a really good sized table. And also, like the main sitting room, another wonderful fireplace with lots of character, creating that lovely warm feel. So let's now have a closer look at the kitchen. Very well equipped. We've got some lovely features, solid granite tops, and here on my right we've got an electric Aga, which is a very economical way of cooking. And if we step up into the living space, an abundance of natural light, roof windows, and being able to flow with ease and move out into the garden with these double doors. From evening drinks to morning coffee, you can really enjoy the perfect view from the top looking over the wooded Liner Valley, which is simply beautiful. So here we are at Harpers Cottage. We're just a few steps from the main residence, and this is a one-bedroom, single-storey holiday let, which has been able to derive valuable supplementary income to the owners over the past few years. Inside, it's got very comfortable accommodation, got a modern equipped kitchen with a dining space. It's a good sized double bedroom and a really good quality bathroom as well. It's got a spacious yet a cosy lounge which follows through into a beautiful conservatory from where you can make the very best of the views. It would also suit those who have multi-generational family needs. If you're looking for a home like this, then please contact Fine & Country today on 015 66 77 1919. Thank you.